Hello, hi everybody. This is Midnight here, and today we're going to do an unboxing. The unboxing I'm going to be doing here is I bought a replacement fan for my laptop and a cooling unit for it. But I'm going to be doing some upgrades to this laptop and cleaning out the cooling system and just beefing up the performance and stuff like that. So I ordered a whole lot of stuff for the laptop. So if I'm not doing any videos, that's the reason why. But I just want to do this unboxing of this really nice cooling unit that I bought for the laptop. This is supposed to actually keep it cooler while I game and stuff like that. I saw a lot on this, so I thought I might show you guys it and see what it looks like. Here is the this is the fan. That's not something I'm going to unbox though. But here's the unit. So this is what it looks like. It has these like big giant, it's a gamer cooler, C11 gaming cooler, TopMate, and it has these really nice, beautiful LED lights. So I will show you what it looks like, but we're gonna go ahead and unbox this thing, and I'm really happy about this because I like my laptop, and plus this will keep it elevated from the surface so I can breathe more. So ew, look at this. Now it has some small fans and some really big ones. It's a power cord. So I'm gonna move this over. So here's what it looks like. You see it has two big fans. That's for, to keep it cool and stuff like that. So I am going to set it up and see what it looks like and see how well it does for my machine. Okay, everyone? So hi everyone, I finally got it hooked up. As you can see, it's lighting up over here. There's a light thing on here on the side, and here's another light thing on the side. And I would have to say it is doing a fairly decent job keeping my laptop a lot cooler. As soon as the thing comes up, you can see it's about 84. It's about 80. The CPU is about 74, and the GPU is like 40. So it's doing a fairly good job of keeping my laptop cool. It is less noisy, but just remember I do have to fix the fan on here, which I got the replacement fan, and I'm gonna put it inside of it, and it should do a lot better. But I thought I'd just show you guys this. This is really cool. I do like it, and as you can see, it does keep the laptop kind of elevated so I can breathe better. I am noticing from the back it's not blowing as much hot air as it was before. So I would say this is a very good product. And right here, this is where you can control the fan. See, you can cool it down. out of the mask. And this is where you can chase the, oh, watch this. See? Solid red, solid green, solid blue. And that's the one that changes colors kind of really slowly. Which I do like. So I thought I'd show you this. It's a very good product. I really like it. And if you guys want to get it, the link will be in the description below. Or when you can actually get this if you want this for your laptop and stuff like that. But I really like it. This will increase my gameplay, keeping the laptop a lot cooler, elevated. I really do like it. It's really nice and stuff like that. So I thought I'd do this very, very quick video. I hope you guys liked the video. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to my channel. Also become a Patreon supporter and become a channel member. And follow me on Twitch, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. And make sure you tell your friends and family to subscribe to my channel. Share my videos on your social media. And may the spirit of the wolf be with you until we meet again next time in paradise. Okay, everyone? Bye.